In November 2023, you wrote an article called The Paradox of Inclusivity, Diversity, Equity, and the Suppression of Dissent, in which you draw parallels between the horrors of the Tigray genocide that affected much of your own family with Israel's then looming genocide of the Palestinians. With the privilege of hindsight, how do you view the shared struggle between the Tigray, the Palestinians, and even the indigenous Americans in your home district who have all fallen victim to imperial conquest?
Yeah, I mean, that was largely why I wrote it in the first place. I remember like being 12 years old and doing some kind of project in social studies, and I saw that map of 1946 and then the UN partition and then, up to 2008. I'm like, this is colonialism. Like, it's pretty clear cut, pretty obvious. And I was seeing a lot of, the rhetoric from Netanyahu, from different members of the administration that were almost identical to the things that I heard the Ethiopian government saying against the Tigrayan people during the war. And then drawing those parallels to all the other atrocities we've seen in the world, whether we're talking about the Rwandan genocide, whether we're talking about the Holocaust, whether we're talking about the Native American genocide, like the tactics that are used are constantly replicated. And if we're actually serious about world peace and like trying to resolve these conflicts, we have to learn about all these things in the context with which they exist versus pretending like these are isolated incidents.